Braking forces rely on there being friction between the road and tyres of a car. When a car like this one applies its brakes, the tyres will stop spinning. As a result, there's now more friction between the tyres and the road. This resistive force causes the car to slow down. Reducing this friction will increase the braking distance of the car. A braking distance is the distance the car travels after it applies its brakes before it comes to a stop. Now this contributes to the overall stopping distance of the car. If there's less friction between the car and the road, then there's less deceleration and the car takes longer to come to a stop. Let's focus on the road the car is on and look at some ways the friction between it and the tyres can decrease. There will be less friction when the road is wet. Let's suppose there's been some heavy rain on the road. So there's a layer of water on the road, making it slippery. The water acts as a lubricant, making the surface of the road smoother, and so there is less friction between it and the tyres. As a result, the braking distance increases. For this reason, drivers are advised to take more care when driving in the rain. But there's a type of weather that affects the roads even more than this. There will be even less friction when the road is icy. Now let's suppose it's been snowing recently, and as a result there's a layer of ice over the road. This makes the road even more slippery than when it was raining. Generally, ice causes very, very weak frictional forces, so we have much less friction between the road and the tyres. In these conditions, the car can have very long braking distances. Drivers are advised to drive very slowly or avoid going on the roads at all. But is there something besides the weather that can affect how much friction a tyre has with the road? Well, the type of road surface also determines the effectiveness of the braking force. Here we have two of the most common types of road you'll see cars driven on. On the left, we have natural dirt roads, and on the right, constructed concrete roads, like those you'd find on a motorway. The motorway roads are designed to have rough, uneven surfaces. In other words, they're designed to have more friction than a dirt road. Cars have shorter braking distances here, so they can safely travel at faster speeds than on a dirt road, where most cars have to drive a lot more slowly and carefully. Make sure you've got a good understanding of these road conditions, as you may be expected to recall any of them and explain how they affect stopping distances.
Thanks for watching. If you want to take your GCSE revision to the next level, head over to launchpadlearning.com and check out our smart learning platform that's been designed to get you top results in your exams. We cover your whole specification and make revision fun with interactive quizzes, easy-to-follow videos, and more. You'll be kept motivated by your own AI tutor who's here to support you every step of the way. To check it out for yourself, click here. Or click here to keep watching a selection of the videos from our full GCSE Physics course. See you there!